I'm Oscar. I'm not too good at making YouTube videos, but I'll give it a shot. There are three main Skewb solving methods: Series Beginners, Series Intermediate, and Series Advanced. I'll be teaching you Series Beginners. One thing to notice, if you ever get stuck in this video, I have linked two Discord servers below. Skewb works essentially by twisting corners. There are 8 corners on this cube, and you can twist any of them. When you twist a corner, you notice you also move the other corners and centers. This is what makes the puzzle. The first step of the Series Beginners method is to create the first layer. Similar to other cubes like 3x3, you solve the first layer by inserting each corner into its spot, right? So you can get 3 cases. The first case is this case. This is a really easy one. You can recognize it because if you're solving white, the white stick is facing out, and you can just slide in like that. Just one move. The second case is this. If the white stick is facing towards you, it needs to go in there. So what you want to do here is you want to twist it so the white stick is facing out, like the other case. Slide in, and then realign this corner. The other case is when the white stick is facing up. In this case, it isn't too good, but what you can do is you can move that. You can twist this corner and move this corner onto that side, and then you've got that case but lefty. So you can twist it so the white corner is facing out, put it in, and twist it back. I hope that made sense. I'm now going to do an example first layer solve. So the first thing I noticed in the scramble is that you've got this corner here. Now it doesn't matter where you put the corners, as long as they're all aligned to each other. So I'm going to put it here. So I can slide that corner in here. And now, okay, let's solve this corner now. This corner needs to go here because it's next to the orange one, and it's orange. So we've got the case where the white's sticking up. So we've got to put it to the side, twist it, put it in, and twist that one back. And now I've got, let's say this one. So this guy needs to go here. You notice they always have to go diagonally to where they are. So that can never go there. It's just impossible to get the corner to that position. So this is the same case as before. And now for the final corner we've got is right here. And it's facing out, so it's just a one move, and once you've done the first layer, you're left with the last layer. In order to solve the last layer, I'm going to show you one algorithm. This algorithm is the Sledgehammer, if you even call it an algorithm. It's only 4 moves. You turn this corner down, you turn this corner down, you turn this corner up, you turn this corner up. Just alternating between corners. Down, down, up, up. For the last layer, you can get 1 of 2 cases. Only looking at the corners, we've got a pie. So these 2 stickers facing that way, and these 2 ones are facing that way and that way. So you want to hold it so that the headlights are facing out that way, to the right. And you want to do a sledge. And now your corners are solved. The second case you can get is peanut. So when these 2 stickers are facing up and these stickers are facing towards you. You want to hold it so that this stick is facing towards you and this stick is facing up. And you want to do a sledge. And now you've just got pie. So you want to hold it so that these 2 stickers are facing outwards, and these 2 stickers are facing that way and that way. And you want to do a sledgehammer, like I showed. Once you've oriented the corners, you're just left with the centers. It's really easy to solve with centers. You just use Sledgehammer. So I'll just show you how to do a U-perm, and then that should allow you to solve any case. You just do tons of U-perms until it's solved pretty much. So you hold a U-perm so that the opposite's sticking towards you, and like that, over the top. You want to do a sledge. So you twist it, that corner down, twist that corner down, that corner up, that corner up. You want to turn it around, and you want to do the same thing on these 2 corners at the back. And you want to do, so turn this one down, that one down, this one up. this one up. So if we're using that to solve the cube, if you know how U-perm works, you put this one at the back, that one there, that one there. So if I do a U-perm from here, I'll chuck this one at the back, and that guy will go there, and that guy will go there. So I will get a U-perm. So I'm going to do a sledgehammer here. And like I showed, you now do it on the back two corners. And now I've got a U-perm. So I can just orient it like you would a U-perm. And so another example. So again, we've got the white layer solved. We've got the yellow corners, corners are oriented. And now you want to do tons of U-perms till it's solved. So if we know how U-perms work, like on 3x3, you check this guy at the back, that guy there, that guy there. So if I do a U-perm from here, this thing will be solved because that guy goes there. And then that will be solved too because the other thing goes there. So I'll be left with another U-perm. So I twist that corner, twist that corner, twist that corner, twist that corner, go to the back, twist that corner, twist that corner, twist that corner, twist that corner. Now for a U-perm, so I hold it so that the opposite in front of me, it goes around that. Thanks for watching. Sorry if I didn't explain anything very well. Yeah, bye.